Hello and welcome to another episode of Momento Malum today. In this episode, we'll be covering the genetics of Boysenberry. Let's get started. There's various types of berry crops called hybrid berries. These are made by crossbreeding blackberries with other species such as raspberry. Many hybrid berries have been developed by crossbreeding blackberry and raspberry together and then crossbreeding that hybrid back into one of its original parents or into another hybrid. The loganberry and nestberry are such common hybrids. The boysenberry likewise is one such hybrid. And each of these hybrid berries have varying degrees of raspberry and blackberry pedigree in their genome and history. The boysenberry can be traced back to northern California, and is named after its discoverer, Rudolf Boysen, although historical evidence has been presented quite extensively by Dr. Wood in 1999. The exact genetic origin of the boysenberry is still not well known. It's hypothesized that the boysenberry is a crossbreed between the red raspberry, Rubus ursinus, and the common blackberry, or more specifically, a crossbreed between a loganberry and a blackberry. To figure out the genetic origins, the genetic marker technology AFLP was utilized, and several common blackberry cultivars that are known to be utilized in the breeding of hybrid berries were also tested. These 10 cultivars were Arafato, Black Satin, Bursa 1, Bursa 2, and Bursa 3, Chester's, Dirksen, Thornless, Jumbo, Navajo, and Loch Ness. The genetics of 3 raspberry cultivars were also analyzed. These include Canby, Heritage 2, and Tulamine. These were all compared against the common boysenberry to determine the genetic relationship, if any, between any of these cultivars. Hello, I just want to let you know, if you want to fund this channel, you can do so on the platforms seen in the description below. Based on the genetic marker technology, it was discovered that the blackberry cultivars of North America have a very narrow genetic background. The 3 Bursa cultivars seem to be direct offspring of the cultivar Chester. The research found no evidence that any of the blackberries or raspberries were found within the pedigree of the common boysenberry. The genetic data did, however, indicate that yes, there was regular blackberry pedigree, or Rubus ursinus, in the background of the common boysenberry. None of the raspberries tested, however, showed any relationship to the boysenberry. And the boysenberry had genetic markers that are not found in either the blackberry or raspberry. This suggests that there might be 3 parents involved in the breeding of the boysenberry. There are other hypotheses on the origin of the boysenberry. Dr. Jennings in 1988 indicated that the boysenberry was made by crossbreeding species of blackberry called the trailing blackberry, or Rubus beliensis, with the hybrid known as the loganberry. The researchers had no loganberry germplasm, so no genetic markers could be analyzed. But based on the genetic data, an unknown blackberry cultivar is in the pedigree of the loganberry, but the exact cultivar is unknown. The researcher concludes that further testing of loganberry and loganberry-like germplasm, as well as other wild species, should be tested to see what the full pedigree of the common boysenberry is and how to improve its gene pool. And that about covers everything. Thank you for watching.